Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI Expand tool in CapCut to magically fill in image backgrounds. So whether you want to turn a vertical photo into a horizontal masterpiece or just fix a cram shot, this AI feature does the work for you in seconds. So first, to find the AI Expand tool, you can just open a CapCut on mobile and here click on a photo tools. Scroll down until you find the AI Expand. So click on that options and here you can just choose the photo that you want to. For example, in here, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Click on a photo, tap on add. And now you can choose the aspect ratio. So for example, I'm going to make it to a horizontal image, let's say 4:3. Here you can enter the prompt if you want, but this is optional, or you can also just click on generate to let CapCut fill in the background. So it will be generating. You can just wait. So the estimated time around 15 seconds, but it also depends on your internet connection. So you can just wait until it's done. Okay, so here it is. You can see CapCut will give you 4 options. You can just choose which one that you like the best. I think I'm going to just choose the first one. You can click on a check icon and check icon again at the top, and that's it. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI editing hacks and CapCut secrets. I'll see you in the next tutorial.